If you've been exploring ways to automate lead generation, enrich contact data, or streamline outreach with AI, Clay might be the tool you've been hearing about. It's an all-in-one prospecting engine that brings together over 100 data providers, scraping tools, and GPT-powered personalization into a single, powerful workspace. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about Clay, its features, strengths, weak spots, pricing, and more. So, without further delay, let's get started. First off, what exactly is Clay? At its core, Clay is a sales engagement and data enrichment platform. But unlike traditional tools that rely on a single data source, Clay pulls in information from dozens of providers and lets you mix, match, and automate almost everything. From company and contact lookups to social scraping and custom GPT prompts, Clay becomes your full-fledged research assistant and outreach engine in one. Now, let's talk about features. Clay's biggest strength is how flexible it is. You can upload a spreadsheet or connect your CRM, enrich each row with things like job titles, verified emails, phone numbers, social profiles, funding history, technologies used, and then use AI to auto-generate personalized messages. Plus, it doesn't stop there. You can even set up workflows that trigger new actions when leads change jobs, companies get acquired, or funding rounds are announced. And the real magic happens inside Clay's visual interface. It feels like Airtable, but built specifically for GTM teams. Next, let's talk about what makes Clay stand out. The combination of data enrichment, automation, and GPT-powered copywriting is incredibly powerful. You can build entire prospecting campaigns without leaving the dashboard, and since it's no code, anyone can jump in. You also get full control over data sources, so if one provider doesn't return the result you want, you can switch or stack it with another. However, it's not perfect. Since Clay is so customizable, it can take some time to figure out how everything works. There are lots of buttons, settings, and fields. While that makes it flexible, it might be a bit much for people who want something simple. Also, the data quality is usually good, but it depends on the provider and the type of query you run. You might need to test things out and make adjustments to get the best results. Now, let's look at pricing. Clay offers 5 monthly plans. The free plan gives you 100 credits and costs $0 per month. The starter plan is $149 per month with 2,000 credits. The Explorer plan, which is the most popular, is $349 per month for 10,000 credits. The Pro plan offers 50,000 credits at $800 per month. And the Enterprise plan is custom priced based on your credit and usage needs. So overall, Clay is a fantastic platform if you're serious about lead generation and want more control, flexibility, and data in one place. It's not built for someone looking for a plug-and-play CRM, but if you want to automate and scale intelligent outbound efforts, Clay is one of the strongest options on the market right now. Alright, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.